Hey you guys, what's up? So I am coming at you with two new products from Benefit, and I have to share with you guys what they are and what they do because I am in love already. So a few months ago, Benefit posted a question to their Instagram, which stated, what product would you like to see from our brand? I said powder like that. I was just picturing this amazing pore blurring, pore minimizing, POREfessional powder. And that's what we got. Benefit has released the POREfessional Power Powder, you guys. Not only that, but they have also released the POREfessional Primer in a matte version. So with these two products, you are destined to have a matte, poreless, professional looking face. And I am all for it. So when I am looking for makeup products, obviously I love the anti-aging stuff because as I'm getting older, we need a little anti-age. But I also look for things that are going to minimize my pores because let's be real, my pores are humongous. There's nothing I can do about it. It's literally just my skin, you guys. I have to live with it and I've got to find products that work for me. So I am so excited that we've got not only a matte POREfessional primer now that is going to take away any accentuation of those pores, we also have a powder now too. And then to use with those two new POREfessional products, we've got the Professional Setting Spray. This is a long-lasting makeup setting spray. It's going to really lock that makeup into place so you have POREfessional looking skin all day long. So I am so excited. Let's jump into it. So this new POREfessional Power Powder is a matte and blur loose setting powder. It's going to not only blur the pores, but also give the skin a natural matte finish. And it says it's going to set your makeup for up to 16 hours. So opening it up, it looks a little something like this. Super cute. And it looks a little something like this. I am going to take a clean sponge and maybe place it right in here and see what it does. Okay, so I've got a little bit on my sponge here. Let's try it out. Smells really good too. All right, so it is definitely mattifying and definitely blurring. Look at that. Okay, so here is this side. Here is this side. Okay, so it is definitely mattifying and definitely blurring. Check this out, you guys. You can see every single pore on the side that does not have it. And on this side, the shine is gone, besides my highlight. And the blurring is definitely there. I cannot wait to see what this powder looks like with this primer. So this has the same smoothing and blurring effect as the OG Benefit POREfessional primer, only this one is gonna give you 8 hours of mattification, you guys. This is going to keep shine at bay and can be worn with or without makeup. I cannot stop looking at how beautiful this powder is laying on the skin. Now let's try it out with the matte POREfessional primer. Okay, so I'm gonna apply a little bit to my face on this side. It does have a little bit of stick to it, which is what you want in a primer. And we will see what this looks like when the makeup is on top. All right, so I applied a little bit into the cap here and I am just setting around my nose and under my eyes, and it's just melting into the skin how I like my powder to do. And we are becoming matte. We are also becoming blurred as well. All right, you guys, and here's what my face looks like with the POREfessional Matte Primer as well as the POREfessional Power Powder. I am loving this combination. My face just looks so flawless, so poreless, so matte. yeah, I am in love, and this is definitely going to become a staple combination in my routine. This powder is amazing. I love how it doesn't give a white cast, doesn't really look powdery on the skin. It just kind of melts right in. I did use the POREfessional Super Setter as well, so that really made both of these products sink into the skin and melt together that much more. Yeah, this is absolutely beautiful. My skin has never looked this good. Yeah. Flawless, flawless, flawless. This formula is everything. But yeah, you guys, if you want to be poreless, if you want to be matte, and you want your skin to look flawless, definitely go try this combination out. Well, that is it, you guys. I just want to say a big thank you to Benefit for sending me these new products to try. And thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more. And I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.